Hey guys and gals, Mama Bear here with a daily dash of life. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to send you a very big welcome. And if you're one of my 12-gallon cup drinkers, welcome back. Today I will be making my gourmet hot dogs for my Super Bowl party. And to get things started, let me go ahead and go through the ingredients with you. And of course, those ingredients will be in the description box below. I do need to make some caramelized onion for this dish. So I have already sliced up one large white onion into thin slices. For that, I will also need 1/4 cup of butter. I will also need a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now for the hot dog assembly itself, I like to use the King's Hawaiian buns. I really like the flavor, so any Hawaiian buns will do. I will be using some sausage links, not just the regular old weenie. I'm gonna actually use some sausage links. And for this, I love to use shredded Gouda. If you can find it, hooray! If not, you might have to go to the deli in your supermarket to find a big chunk of Gouda and then just shred it up. Not only is the freshly shredded Gouda more flavorful, but it melts so much better. And then I'll be using some mustard as well, just some plain yellow mustard. But if you want to be more gourmet, you can use some Dijon mustard. I don't care for that, but you can always use it yourself. To get things started, I'm going to put my heat on a medium-low heat and add my 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. I'm also going to add my 1/4 cup of butter. Time to add my onions. I'm just going to keep them on a low heat, and they're going to take about an hour to cook to get them right where I want them. And as they cook, these onions are going to begin to shrink. Let me add a little pepper for taste. When you first begin to caramelize your onions, you only stir occasionally, but then as time goes on and your onions begin to caramelize, you begin to stir frequently. first thing I do when I get my sausage is to cut off the ends. Then I proceed to tear off the skin and create a valley into the hot dog or into the sausage so that I can add my shredded cheese and my caramelized onions into the valley.
And this is spaghetti, Mama. It's really fire, Mama. This is spaghetti. Mama.
Once you're done caramelizing your onions, set them aside. The longer you let them rest, the sweeter they become and the more syrupy as well. Okay, give me 1 minute, please.
Mama, I want to taste, Mama. I want to taste.
Okay, hold on, it's very hot.
Okay.
talking about?
It's called ice cream.
What is called ice cream?
That ice cream.
I don't know what you're talking about.
It's called ice cream.
What is called ice cream?
That ice cream. I need a spoon. I need a spoon.
What do you mean you need a spoon?
Because I need a spoon.
Because you need a spoon?
Yes.
I'm going to use some A&W root beer,
Okay.
some Dreyer's Classic Vanilla Slow Churns, and I'm going to make this a root beer
I
float.
want a fork, Mama.
A fork? I thought you said you needed a spoon.
I got she's down.
Ooh, girl. You are like a little vulture.
No, not.
You see what?
No. That. Cinderella.
Cinderella?
Yeah. Here. Mama, why you need Mama? Why you need Mama? I need some to my cup.
Yep, Mama's going to put some in your cup. Just be patient.
Up there, Mama.
Ta-da! Excuse me.
There's nothing in this, Mama.
Oops. This has been Mama Bear with a Daily Dash of Life. And as always, don't forget to spice up yours. May God bless you. Thanks for watching. To subscribe, click my watermark and click any video icon for more videos or to start a playlist. Check out bonus footage at Instagram and Twitter at A Daily Dash of Life. Toodles!